Namaste, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो श्रीधागा इंदौर से. So it's Friday 2 p.m. and I'm back with something different and something new for you. It's summer started and we all want something very cool, something very soft which we can carry for the whole day. So I'm here with new collection of the beautiful cotton suit sets with different kind of dupatta sets to it. So I'll show you all these suit sets in today's video. But before starting showing you, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notification. And for order you can connect with us at 9039717636. So let me start showing you today's products, and the pictures of these products are placed at the end of the video. So please, it's a humble request, please don't share the screenshots. Okay, so let me start showing you these pure hand blocks cotton suit sets, and there are 3 varieties in these according to the price wise. So I'll tell you in between what's the difference and what are the pricing for this. Okay, so let me start showing you. So here you can see, सबसे पहले मैं आपको दिखा दूँ जो हमारे साथ नए जुड़ते हैं उनके लिए कि it's like this is the suit set, this is the bottom of the set, and this is the kurti. You can see it's a very lovely mauve color, a tone of purple we can say, and it has this beautiful mal cotton dupatta. आप देख सकते हो the fall is very nice, it's very soft, and of course they all are accessorized with fabric tassels as well. So this is the first set, and the pricing for this set is just 1650. Yes, 1650. So first I'll show you all the suit set with pure cotton and mal cotton dupattas. Okay, so the next piece that I have, it's a lovely white base. So this is your kurta, this is your bottom, and the rest of the description you can read at the pictures के साथ सारा लिखा होता है. So this is the first set, and it has this lovely mal cotton, and yes, they all accessorize with fabric tassels. So this is the first set. So next piece is again with mal cotton. It's a lovely combination of the grey. So this is the kurta, this is the pant, and this is the dupatta. So here's the next piece. It's a very lovely color of blue, a very different shade of blue. So this is your kurta, this is your bottom, and this is your dupatta, and they all accessorized with fabric tassels. The next combination, it's the base of lemon yellow color. This is your kurta. They are very refreshing colors. You can see the color prints combinations are just beautiful, and this is the dupatta. And it's a very lovely tone of sky blue. Yes, you can see like this, and it has this beautiful dupatta. Sorry, it has this beautiful dupatta. So the combination goes like this. And yes, again lovely combination. It's a lemon yellow color again, and see the combination. This is the dupatta. You know, these colors gives itself very cool and refreshing feelings. And the next tone is of very light mustard, white base, and this is the dupatta. very light shade of mustard yellow and the combination of green with pink, and yes, they all accessorized with beautiful tassels. The next is a very light tone of green. Generally we call it dhani green. So this is a very beautiful jal print, and this is the bottom. And yes, here you go with this beautiful dupatta. The next set we have yes, it's a today it's a color yellow color day. So this is your kurta and this is your bottom, and this is its dupatta, but all different shades of yellow you can see, and it's the onion pink. Nowadays I am in just love this color. कुछ भी मिल रहा है, so I just grab it, sorry. So it's like, it's a very lovely print also. This is your kurta, this is your bottom, and this is your dupatta. And the next we have, it's a mehndi green combination. So this is your bottom, this is your kurta, and here you go with this dupatta. The dupatta is also very different, side borders are there. And this is one set I have shown you in the range of 1650. Okay. Now I will show you the suit sets with Kota cotton dupattas. These all sets were with Mal cotton. 1650 was the pricing of these sets. Now these are pure cottons but with Kota cotton dupattas, and the pricing for these one is 1800 each. So this is the first combination. It's a very lovely tone of cream. These sets we have on the cream base, and yes, they all accessorized with fabric tassels. So एक दुपट्टा मैंने आपको दिखाया खोल के. So this is the first set. The next set is this zigzag, and these are small booties, and this is the dupatta. The next set that we have, again on the cream color combinations, but the booties and the combinations of color are different. And this is the combination. You can see it's a very nice booty with this bottom. The next is with black, and again you can see this is the beautiful booty, very small booty, and the jal kind of bottom. The next we have with green. So this is the booty, and this is your bottom. And this is your dupatta. And this is the next combination. This is your bottom, this is your kurta, and This is a lovely dupatta. I just love these colors. The print, the cream tone is very nice. And the next we have, it's a very lovely, a tone of wine color, I must say. ये आप देख सकते हो इसका ये जो टोन है, it's a very different tone. And this is the dupatta. And the last piece with these prints. Just see, ये color base is somewhat same, but the booty styles, ये देखिए पूरे पैंट में zigzag है. And this is the booty. And this is the dupatta. So this is the next piece on the mustard, a very different tone of mustard. आप बोलेंगे मैं हर बार मस्टर्ड कलर बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज ये हैंड ब्लॉक्स कलर्स होते हैं, सो हर बार जो इनका टोन्स आता है कलर का इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट. सो नेवर एक्सपेक्ट कि अगर आपने एक बार कोई ऑर्डर किया है और वही सेम कलर आएगा. सो इसीलिए जो सिर्फ टोन होता है हम वही बता पाते हैं आपको. सो यू कैन सी दिस इज somewhat a little bit touch of very light mustard one. And the next piece we have, it's on indigo. So this is your kurti, this is your bottom, and this is the lovely dupatta. So here is my next lot. Yes, these are also with Kota cottons. So it's a very lovely shade of. So sorry, the kurti fabric will go like this, and this is your bottom. And polka dots का दुपट्टा. The next we have, it's a bottle green and yellow. So see, this is the combination. The next we have something different. This is the combination, and this is with bandesh ka dupatta. It's a blue and the grey combination. Next we have again with indigo butta, and this is the bottom. Actually buttas will go like this. This is the bottom, and this is the dupatta. We have this is the bottom, this is the kurta. Our linings, okay, these will come like this actually, and this is the dupatta. These all are Kota cotton dupattas. colors. And the last is in the grey color. This is your kurta, this is your bottom, and this is your dupatta. And next lot of these lovely colors again with Kota cotton dupattas. So this is your kurti. Next is again, I'm like, oh my god, a mustard ka shade. And this is the dupatta. And yes, here I come with this refreshing color जिससे मुझे आजकल प्यार हुआ है. It's a very lovely tone of onion pink का जो dark tone हम बोलेंगे, it's that color, not the magenta or the pink. And this is the dupatta. It has this lovely dupatta. The next we have is this your kurti, and here you go with your dupatta, and here you go with your, sorry, here is the dupatta. And the next piece that we have, it's a combination of blue एंड इसमें थोड़ा सा ग्रे का टोन दिया हुआ है. इट्स नॉट प्योरली ग्रे और प्योरली ब्लू. हैंड ब्लॉक्स का यही एक ब्यूटी है कि हर बार जो कलर्स आते हैं निकल के, दे आर सो डिफरेंट एंड सो ग्रेसफुल. आप देख रहे होंगे वीडियो में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस दिख रहा है. सो मैं इसको प्योरली ग्रे भी नहीं बोलूँगी और प्योरली ब्लू भी नहीं, बट इट्स अ वेरी लवली शेड. The next combination with the same, but इसका जो white base is more. And this is the dupatta. And here I come with a very refreshing and different tone of peach. ये पीच का डार्क शेड है, इट्स नॉट द लाइट शेड, इट्स अ ऑरेंजिश पीच एंड वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग कलर फॉर द समर सीजन. सो इट गोज लाइक दिस. कलर्स आर सो रिफ्रेशिंग, आई जस्ट लव ईच एंड एवरी कलर, बट सब नहीं बना सकते ना. आई नो. So this is a frozy color. Yes, it's a proper frozy color. So this is your top, this is your bottom, and just look at the beauty of this color. Oh my god, summers में तो मज़ा ही आ जाए ये सब कलर्स पहन के. And the next piece, it's a very lovely मेहंदी green color. ऑफिस के लिए जो लोग देखते हैं ना, सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ दैट लवली कलर जिनको थोड़े से सेटल्स कलर पसंद होते हैं ऑफिस में कैरी करना. सो एवरी कलर इज़ ब्यूटीफुल एंड लवली, बट हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होता है, उनको कहाँ पहनना है. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. और आप अपना वार्डरोब तो चेक कर लीजिए, जो कलर नहीं हो वही ऑर्डर कीजिए. सो दिस इज़ द, सो गाइज these were the beautiful sets that I have on Kota cotton. Now we have few pieces जिनका जो दुपट्टा है, it's a very lovely dupattas. So because of that, the pricing is little bit high. So I'll just show you. So you can see this is first piece. These are very exclusive pieces. So this is bottom. This is your kurta. तो कुर्ते पे आप देखेंगे the fabric is self textured cotton and इसके ऊपर very fine thin line of a silver is there. And this is Kota silk checks का दुपट्टा. Yes, you can see the dupatta is like this. And the pricing for these sets are for 2,000. So this is the first piece. The next piece we have, sorry, it's a pure cotton suit sets. This is your bottom, zigzag grey color tone, and the tone of this suit set is, you can see, it's a green and the grey and the light brownish. So the combination of this set is very different. And dupatta is also fabric and the texture of this dupatta. So these were for 2,000 each. The next we have is, this is your kurta, this is your bottom, and this is your dupatta. Temple border का दुपट्टा है. And look at the fall of this दुपट्टा. It's a cotton by silk दुपट्टा. अब देखो इसका beauty. It's lovely. And the next we have I don't know exactly, but it's again a onion pink का shade. And dupatta is so beautiful. And the next we have, it's something very different. जो artistic kind of लोग होते हैं ना, those who are working with art industry, this is something specially for them. इसके ऊपर हमने जो कराया है, you can see it's सूरज देवता. It's सूरज देवता जिनके साथ ये पूरा सेट किया हुआ है. And this is the kurta, sorry, bottom, and it has this beautiful shibori ka dupatta. It's a handmade shibori and the fabric is cotton silk. Next piece we have, it's an apple. So these are the apple kind of figures. ये देखिए. So it's look very nice. And this is the, ये apple का look दे रहा है, but it's a kind of a flower. And this is the bottom, and again it has this beautiful dupatta. And next piece is again a very lovely self-texture fabric. Please come closer and you can see, आप देख सकते हैं, the texture of the fabric is very nice. This is your kurta and this is your bottom, and it has this lovely dupatta. I just love the dupattas. Isn't it? They are so beautiful. Just look at the beauty of this dupatta itself. It's give a very graceful look. So guys, hope you like the collection, and you know it's like you can order with us for these suit sets at 9039717636. And I know you all must be waiting to know what's the showstopper today and what is the offer of the day. So let me first tell you what is the offer of the day. So this is the offer of the day. So it's the time for the showstopper, and this is something my favorite, something very close to my heart. I just love the concept of this, and I personally just like the combination. So this is purely white set on the Kota cotton. The fabric is very soft, it's not the hard one, it's a very soft Kota cotton fabric. And just see the detailing of the embroidery. This is your neckline, and this is your full front part. Even इसका bottom देखिए how beautifully it is done. It's a very graceful lovely piece. एंड बीच में ये पूरा जो कुरेशिया का निटिंग होता है ये पूरा उसका किया हुआ है. दिस इज़ योर हकोबा एंड दिस इज़ योर चिकनकारी वर्क. एंड इसके साइड में देखिए ये पूरा जो है इसको लगाया गया है. एंड साइड में पिंटेक्स की डिटेलिंग इज देयर. एंड इसके साथ प्लेन वाइट कॉटन बॉटम इज देयर. ओके, एंड it has this lovely beautiful dupatta. So just see, it's very beautiful. पूरे में ऑल ओवर प्योर जॉर्जेट का दुपट्टा है. एंड इसके ऊपर ये क्या हुआ है, दिस इज ऑल योर कुरेशिया जो निटिंग होता है ना, इट्स काइंड ऑफ निटिंग ओनली, जिसको ऊन की स्टिक्स जो आते हैं उसकी तरह से हमारे यहाँ सिलाइयाँ बोलते हैं, सिलाइयाँ से हाथ से किया जाता है. एंड सो इट हैज़ दिस ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टा. इट गोज लाइक दिस एंड यू कैरी इट. इट्स लुक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. So guys, this is our showstopper, and the pricing for this set is 3500. So guys, hope you all like the collection, and now you can see the pictures of these beautiful suit sets. Please watch very carefully. उसके ऊपर codes है, pricing है, every detail is there. So आप उसको देखिए, आराम से ऑर्डर कीजिए. एंड ऑर्डर आपको कैसे कनेक्ट करना है आपको मैं बता चुकी हूँ. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी the pictures of all these suit sets. Hope you like it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications. See you next week. Till then, have a nice weekend.